Very big hi and congratulations if you are watching this video, because by the end of this video you will end up with premium subscriptions from Datacamp, Pluralsight and LinkedIn via Microsoft for free. If you are interested to learn many online courses with certifications from reputed e-learning sites but cannot pay for them, this video is exclusively made for you. Everyone out there, this is Vinay and you are watching EduSmart. While let's get started. And before beginning, this is my channel and I make these videos on free courses, certifications, recruitments, communication skills and many more. Have a look at them. Now let's get started how you can get these premium certifications absolutely for free. Now let me show you what are the certifications you are going to get about. So these certifications are from Datacamp, Pluralsight, etc. Now let me tell you something about Datacamp. Datacamp is an online e-learning platform that everyone knows, right? Here you can learn a lot about data science. If you are interested in data science, machine learning, etc. and SQL, etc., this is really a great opportunity for you. Because if you get a certificate from Datacamp, you are really very much ahead of your peers, and your interviewer is more likely to hire you over your peers. Then why late? Let's get this course. Let me also talk about Pluralsight. Pluralsight is also an e-learning online platform where you can get a lot of online courses. But you need to have a premium subscriptions for this. These for premium subscriptions you need to pay amount. But in this video you are going to get them for free. Now let me see the courses available here. You can see this courses like Python, JavaScript, Java, C Sharp, web development, mobile development, JavaScript, etc. You can see everything over here, right? So these are the courses software development. Under IT OOPS, you have IT certifications like IT networking, security, database administration, virtualization, etc. And under professional, data professional, you have MySQL, Android, Microsoft Azure, and a lot more were available here. And information and cybersecurity. There are lots of courses available here. Uh, so these are the courses that are available here. And let me take you on to how you can apply for this course now. Now, in order to get them for free, you via Microsoft, you need to have an account on Microsoft. If you do not have an account on Microsoft, watch this video till the end without skipping. Now click on this button, join or access now. Once you clicked on it, it will be redirecting you onto the sign in button. If you do not have a Microsoft account, create one. I already have this an account. Let me remove this. So this will be something like this. You will get like this. If you do not have an account, create one. Once you create this, it will ask you to provide your email address. Once you provide your email address, you also need to create a password. Once you're done with these two steps, it will ask you to verify your email address. Please do ensure that your email address is correct because you are going to verify it. Now on your inbox, you will get a mail to verify it. Once you click on verify, you will be asked to sign in with the email address and the password you have just created. Do the same. Come back. Then that's your certification verification is over. Come back here. Come back to this. You will get something like this. Verify email, and then you are verifying your that. Once you are done with that, come back to Visual Studio. Now you are here again. Now click on this join or access now. The same thing happens. You will be asked to sign in or else create an account if you do not have. I already have an account. So what I am going to do is I am going to sign into my account. Let me pause this video for now. So this is how. Once you are successfully signed on to your account, you can see this window. In this window, you can see this Visual Studio subscriptions. Under this, you can see this find. You can find this benefits tab. Now click on this benefits tab. Just scroll down the page. You can see this. Once you scroll down, these are the various benefits you can get once you have signed on to this Microsoft account. Under this Visual Studio subscriptions. This is taking some time to share. Okay. Now you can see this all this. Now these are all available here. You can get these many courses and certifications absolutely for free. You can see this Datacamp, Pluralsight, etc. And see this Datacamp, Pluralsight, and I have also seen this LinkedIn. You can also get that. Let me show you. Yeah, here it is. You also get the LinkedIn here. Now click on this Datacamp Activate. Now how you can get this for free? In order to get it for free, you should have an account for Microsoft, right? You all have already told you about this. Now this I have already created this. Your promo benefit is already active happy learning. As I have created active before, it is showing me that I have this account. If you do not have, it will be activating your premium subscription. By this premium subscription, you can get these courses. Similarly, you can, this is for DataCamp. In order to use this, you should first have an account on DataCamp, Pluralsight and LinkedIn. See, whenever you are asking to click on this, let me show you this. Get code, something like that. The coupon code has been successfully retrieved. Please click activate button to proceed. It will ask you to activate. So activate your benefit. It is asking me to activate my account using this. Now I need to provide the things like usual email ID, name and etc. of my Pluralsight. If I provide the same of my Pluralsight, I can get it. So you need to have an account before if you wanted to use them. As I have already logged on to my DataCamp, that is why it has redirected me on to directly my DataCamp profile. So first of all, what you have to do is log on to your DataCamp and Pluralsight. Thereafter, click on code and get them. Then you can directly apply like this. So that is about this one. Now, how you can get the link to this? You can get the link of Visual Studio on my website. I will provide the link of my website, and you can click on that link. I will be redirected to the this page link. You can get and directly use this. Now, how long is this accessible now? Yes, you can access this. That means you can create your accounts as and when you like. There is no limited time offer for this. You can create whenever you like. And once you create your account, what I have seen, what you did not show you, what I did not tell you is, right here this is valid only. This DataCamp subscription is only valid for 2 months. Then how can you use everything? So choose wisely, choose the best option of available and then complete it in 2 months. I think no, everyone can complete in 2 months, right? Who cannot do that? Everyone can complete in 2 minutes. If you cannot complete in 2 minutes, do not worry at all because you can create any other account and can use this again. You need to provide your name while you are creating. Once you have done with the name, you can use the same name for all the accounts. But the email address should be different and create different accounts and get this. This is just a trick that I'm providing you. If you wanted to use more courses, you can use this and get the premium subscriptions for your lifetime like this. This is just a trick. I'm not suggesting you to do this because it's a paid course and you need to pay the amount actually. But as I'm telling you a trick that who cannot afford for these courses, I'm just telling for them. And that's all about this video. I'll be back with another video, such an interesting video and concepts very soon. Please do not forget to share this video with your friends and peers. Thank you for watching this video.